This may surprise you, but while everyone thought Toyota was falling behind all these new brands, turns out they were just quietly cooking up something big. And now, they just dropped the bomb. Today, I'm showing you 6 2026 Toyota models that are coming in hot to keep dominating the market. We're talking proven engines, real reliability, the kind that's already making other brands nervous. And stick around because vehicle number 3 is blowing everyone's mind for under $20,000. Let's dive in. Number 6. Toyota Hilux 2026. We had to start with the toughest pickup on the planet, the 2026 Hilux. Toyota didn't try to reinvent it, they refined it. Because when you dominate the market, you improve what people complain about and keep what works. Under the hood, same hero as always, that 2.8-liter diesel engine. This thing has proven itself everywhere. It's built for real work. No experiments, just reliability. Where they made big changes? The design. More aggressive, wider, more imposing. Inspiration from the Land Cruiser and Tacoma. The suspension got upgrades too, that annoying bounce when empty is gone. Inside, 12.3-inch screens, better materials, less noise. Toyota understood people want to work with their truck, but also travel comfortably. This is still the Hilux that lasts for years, just more refined. And that makes it dangerous for the competition. Number 5. Toyota Land Cruiser FJ 2026. This is the one people are already waiting for. The 2026 Land Cruiser FJ Toyota went back to what people actually respect, a real four-wheel drive, built on a ladder frame, sharing the platform with the Hilux. Real strength, real durability. The design hits nostalgia hard, inspired by the legendary FJ40 with square lines, round headlights, and that spare tire on the back. Pure character. Engine? That proven 2.8 turbo diesel from the Hilux, or the 2.7-liter gas option. Both are engines that just work. Inside, screens paired with big physical buttons designed for real use, not just to look pretty. And the price? Around $30,000. If confirmed, this could be the most accessible Land Cruiser in modern history. Toyota doesn't sell you hype, they sell you something that lasts. Number 4. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid 2026. The 6th generation RAV4 Hybrid, one of Toyota's biggest winners. More robust, wider, lower grille, even 20-inch wheels on higher trims. Design definitely improved, but the real star? The hybrid system. 2.5-liter engine with electric motor, 233 horsepower, or 242 with all-wheel drive. Toyota's proven hybrid, tested, refined, reliable. The RAV4 isn't the most exciting, but it's one of the least problematic. And in this segment, that's everything. Elevated position, good visibility, smooth ride. It's a vehicle you use daily without thinking about it. While other brands experiment with complex systems, Toyota perfects the traditional hybrid. And the market keeps responding. Thousands sold worldwide. Number 3. Toyota Yaris Cross 2026. Here's the sleeper hit, the 2026 Yaris Cross. The RAV4's little brother that's growing faster than expected. In Latin America, it's outselling the Corolla sedan, and even the Corolla Cross. That doesn't happen by accident. Toyota understood not everyone wants a big SUV. Many want practical, economical, and reliable. That's the Yaris Cross. 1.5-liter hybrid system. Fuel consumption around 5 liters per 100 kilometers. Smooth, quiet, especially in the city. It's not the most powerful or biggest, but it's one of the smartest. And here's the kicker. It costs less than rivals but delivers what others promise. That's why it's climbing fast. When a model outsells a Corolla, it's doing something right. Number 2. Toyota Corolla 2027. The best-selling car in the world, the 2027 Corolla, presented at the Japan Mobility Show, and it's changing big time. For years it was conservative, safe design, proven mechanics. But Toyota realized the market changed. This new Corolla is aggressive. Sharper lines, bold design, aimed at competing with Chinese brands. Engine options include 1.5 and 2.0-liter blocks, turbo and naturally aspirated, plus electrified versions. But here's what Toyota made clear. Gasoline isn't disappearing. While others bet everything on electric, Toyota defends engines that simply work and last. This Corolla will likely keep pure combustion versions, exactly what millions still want. Launch in Japan first, then worldwide as a 2027 model. Number 1. Toyota BZ4X 2026. The vehicle that defines Toyota's electric future. The 2026 BZ4X. Toyota's first global 100% electric SUV, developed with Subaru. The design breaks from everything. Hammerhead shark front, black contrasts, angular body. This is Toyota demanding attention. Dual electric motors, 1 per axle. 338 combined horsepower with real all-wheel drive. This isn't a slow electric experiment. It pushes hard and responds right. Inside, 14-inch screen but keeps physical buttons where needed. Full safety suite with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. The strategic move? Starting around $37,000, and Toyota's adjusting prices to compete directly with Tesla. That's not coincidence. That's a statement. Toyota knows the electric market is growing, but they also know something few can match: reputation. The BZ4X isn't an experiment. It's Toyota's declaration they're playing hard in the electric segment. And when Toyota competes, they come prepared. These are the models Toyota's using to stay on top. And make sure to subscribe Rev Nation for awesome content.